Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Physio Charmi. आई एम डॉक्टर चार्मी और आज मैं आपके साथ एक इंस्टा लाइव सेशन शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मैंने अपनी इंस्टाग्राम पेज फिजियो चार्मी पे किया था थोड़े दिन पहले। ये सेशन है स्पिरिचुअल हीलिंग से कैसे हम अपने क्रॉनिक पेन, अपने जो स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी है, अपने बॉडी इश्यूज है उसको कैसे दूर कर सकते हैं। आप ये वीडियो ज़रूर देखें और दूसरे सेशंस के लिए और दूसरे अपडेट्स के लिए मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पेज फिजियो चार्मी, फेसबुक पेज और मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहे, आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहे। और अगर आप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो आप मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें और मुझे मोटिवेशन दे कि ज़्यादा मैं वीडियोस अच्छे से आपके साथ शेयर करूं। ये जब भी आप वीडियो देखोगे तो एंड में एक मेडिटेशन सेशन है जो हमने किया है, तो ये पूरा वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए। अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस है तो आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं।
So, you start?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So, very good evening to everyone, all our viewers. So, today we have Shweta K. Modi, a spiritual guide, healer, therapist. So, let us know more from her. Thank you so much, Shweta, for joining with us. So, first, just give us an intro what you do, what kind of meditation, healing you practice.
Yes, sure. Thank you so much, Charmi, for inviting me today for this talk show. Evening to each and everyone. I'm Shweta K. Modi from the Sparkling Universe, and I'm a spiritual guide and a healer. And I deal into many modalities, many spiritual modalities, like as well as predictive modalities. I'm also a certified meditation trainer. So I deal into many modalities such as Akashic record reading, automatic writing, which we also know as mediumships. So past life regression, angel therapy, chakra healing, all these are the very healing modalities, very basic healing modalities. And many predictive modalities such as tarot card reading, crystal ball gazing, cartomancy. So this all modalities are very much important in our day-to-day life, routine life. It is very useful for us. So each modality has their own benefits. So we'll be talking more about Akashic record reading today, which is related to our past births. So yeah, that's about me.
Modalities you practice, so that's wonderful.
Sorry.
So, a lot of healing modalities you practice, that's wonderful. So,
Yeah.
tell us one thing. We have seen there are a lot of patients with chronic pain, like since so many years they have pain, or there is no actually cause. They just say that पूरे body में दर्द होता है, पूरे दिन दर्द होता है, and even with medications, therapies, there is no effect with it. So,
Right.
will this kind of healing help to cure,
Yes, definitely. Yes. Definitely this kind of alternative healing modalities will help them, especially in the case of chronic pains. This is because we all know our soul, which is very temporary in this body, has traveled many births, has taken many births. Okay, so all this birth has many memories and karmas which our soul carries in the aura level. So aura is basically the idea field which we have around our body, the energy field which is around our body, physical body. So all that, when we go into the past birth and see certain kind of, energies are stuck there. So when we access this Akashic record reading, the past life regression or any kind of modality which is related to past birth, we find the root cause of the energy, as well as divine passes many healing on it as well. So sometimes I'll just give you one example of how the energy is getting stored. Sometimes we feel very angry or anxious towards some part of it. तो इसमें क्या होता है, जब हमारी बॉडी में एक एंगर की एनर्जी डेवलप होती है, वी फील लाइक स्लैपिंग समवन और वी जस्ट फील लाइक किकिंग ऑफ समवन, बट इन रियलिटी वी कैन नॉट डू दैट. तो इस टाइप की एनर्जीज में क्या होता है, देयर इज अ सर्टेन एनर्जी विच गेट्स क्रिएटेड इन आवर माइंड and it travels to a particular part. Like if we want to slap someone, it will travel to our hand. But when we don't release those energies out, it will start getting stagnated inside the body. And kahin na kahin pe jaake wo stuck ho jayegi. So this will start creating chronic pains in our body. And this chronic pains will ultimately, start, getting stored inside the aura body. Yeah, astral world also. So basically, it gets carried to one birth to another birth. Aise. Yeah.
Okay, so like knowing our past problems, like if we know ki what has happened in the past, will that help in future to heal the issues of the body?
Yes. See, in this case, कैसे होता है ना? Whenever we go to the past birth, we tend to tap into our subconscious mind because everything is there stored inside the the astral plane. Everything is stored inside the aura level. So when we tap into our subconscious mind, we start we get guidance from divine as well, the energies which we feel, which are going inside and out. I'll just get back on it. Just a minute. Yeah. So the chronic pains which are inside the body, basically क्या होता है, जब हम लोग subconscious mind में tap करते हैं, divine passes healing on it and we find the root cause of the energy which has been generated. जब ये energy हमें पता चलती है कि जो भी energy generate हुई है, वो एनर्जी को रिलीज करने के लिए हमें कोई गाइडेंस मिलता है, वेरी बेसिक गाइडेंस सच एज chanting some mantra or just giving forgiveness prayers or keeping some kind of crystal, very very basic. So it depends on case to case basis as well. तो ये सब चीजों में हमें फिर हेल्थ रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हो, फाइनेंस रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हो या रिलेशनशिप रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हो, एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स कैन बी सॉल्व विद हेल्प ऑफ दिस हीलिंग.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you mean to say that if that negative energy is not there in the body, then the chances of having any issue is less.
Yes, definitely. So we have to be very consistent in in this modalities. Like we have to keep on cleaning our aura level. Our chakras should be cleaned every now and then. Sometimes we just feel that we are having too much of low energy feeling inside our physical body. So it is very important to elevate those energies. If in case we are consistently going into a deeper and lower energy matters, our body will start sinking inside and all our chakras and aura level will start not function properly. It will go on depress, and it will start accumulating all the negative energies and hence attracting more of negative towards us.
So
Many
yes.
so many healing modalities like meditations can help, chakra healing can help, aura reading can help, as well as going to the past. And if we are not in state of doing anything if by our physical form, so we can just go to the past life with help of some mentor or anyone guide, and we can just find out the root cause and start dealing with it. It takes time, approximately 2 to 3 months, and totally depends on the person's karma as well as the belief system of his.
So are there any side effects of like on physical health or mental health, emotional health? Because it's related to past life and a lot of healing and meditation. So after doing this, are there any side effects?
No, definitely no side effects. Because see, we are just dealing with the energies which are already been stuck. We are just removing those energies and replacing it with divine white light energies. So when we go with Akashic reading, or learning this modality. So what happens with us, the Sparkling Universe, we provide a channel of Guru, which we say as Guru Parampara. So in this form, you will be attuned to the channel of Guru, and it is very
Okay.
safe and secure. And we take many precautions, as well as we start cleaning ourselves first. When we deal into such modalities, we tend to do lot of meditations, lot of precautions has been taken, protection has been taken. We call upon angels, we call upon our guides, gurus, everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it has to be done in front of the person, or it can be done when you're away also.
No, it can be done either ways, because the only thing we need is the permission is very important of the person. Whoever the person has to go, want to look into the past just for the curiosity basis, or any health issue, financial issue, or any kind of issues can be looked into. And we can also access Akashic record of our house. Even the house has their own records. So all these records can be, any place in time can be accessed for any kind of people, any kind of age group. Even a bedridden person or a newborn baby can access the Akashic records. And what happens in this is we on behalf of them go into their past, get the guidance, and then we just give them the guidance and everything. So it is not necessary the person should be physically present with us. We can do it at distance also.
Okay. So a house, what were you saying about the house? House
Yeah, so
record?
we can access the Akashic records of our house also. Even a house, which is known as Vastu Purusha, has their own records. Sometimes we feel that this house is, just pulling me down, or this house is just blooming me up. So that is because of the Vastu Purusha is very strong. It's very powerful. So basically, we can also access Akashic records of Vastu Purushas.
Okay, okay. So, like you said about all kinds of patients, like all conditions also, right? Even
Yeah.
newborn and so, how do you take permission from newborn or a bedridden patient who is unconscious?
So in this case, we can use a dowser, which we do as a pendulum dowsing. Also, divine gives us permission, whether yes or no. Sometimes, a patient comes that the family wants to access the Akashic records of that person, but the divine is not permitting. Might be there is some reason which we cannot know. Might be the person is gonna cross over, or something. So in that case, divine will not permit us to access the Akashic record of such people. So it is better, when we take permission legally from divine or the person. So we take it from pendulum, with the help of pendulum dowsing as well. It's the easiest
Okay,
way.
okay. So it sounds
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah. So also when a person, when a child is below 10 years, so we take their permission of their parents, and we access the Akashic record of either of the parents. So that will help, because the baby until 10 years are very fragile. The energies are very fragile and very sensitive. So that's
Okay,
the reason we access their parents' Akashic record for whatever issues they have.
okay. So it's child health or any financial study issue, anything can be dealt with it.
Yes, anything can be accessed and looked into. Even for just for curiosity, a person can go and just feel the energy, what has happened in the past, or just get the root cause of any kind of the curiosity which that person has.
So while doing this session, how long does it take?
In 30 to 40 minutes for only the session, and pre and post there are many precautions and protections which we have to take.
Okay. And uh, the person who is taking the session is aware of everything or he's in subconscious mind?
No, that person will be very much aware and in a awake state. This the mentor who is taking the Akashic reading, that person will just access the Akashic record in the subconscious state.
Okay, that's great. So, like, will meditation help to clean your aura?
Yes, definitely. Meditations do help because, see, our brain is constantly working in certain energy, certain, frequency. When the frequency of our brain is lowered to some extent, we start feeling, going into our subconscious mind, tapping our subconscious mind. So all these are the different forms and dimensions of our soul. So definitely meditations do help in this kind of things.
So, there are different types of meditation, or there's one meditation which will help to clean aura, healing, self-healing.
No, there are many types of meditations. Many kind of meditations are there. We can meditate on each and every smallest part of this earthly world or universe or anything. We can just meditate, like meditation on chocolates, meditation with help of crystals, meditation with help of different juices. Everything is possible.
And after the meditation, what difference the client or the person feels?
The client or the person will feel lot many differences. This is a process of long term. We have to practice this meditations for at least some number of days, like 7 days, 14 days, 21 days. We have the cycle. When we get the guidance from Akashic record, we get a certain number of days to be practiced. Okay. So when we practice only one day, it will just give us temporary 5 to 10 minutes bliss feeling or anything like that. But when we practice it over the period of time, it will start making us टाइम के लिए वो ही स्टेट में रखना स्टार्ट कर देगी. The more we be into that subconscious state, or not the subconscious state, but the good frequency, like alpha frequency, we which we really need this. जो भी अभी चल रहा है scenario, the entire world is into pandemic and everything. So we need such stressful environment and everything. So
Positive
meditation
energy.
will help us for that. Yeah.
So the person can do meditation on their own, or they need a mentor for it.
Yeah, person can do meditation on their own as well. Once you are very thorough with those energies, तो क्या हो जाएगा ना, हमारी बॉडी यूज टू हो जाएगी वो मेडिटेशन से, एंड वील स्टार्ट imagining, or we'll just start going with the flow like that. So initially, if the person is very much disturbed or stressful, he might he or she might need the support somewhere of a mentor or anything. Once it is cleared, then we can just do it on our own.
Okay. So can you just give us a demo or show us how to meditate, and so that we can learn and get some positive energy
Yes,
and get
definitely.
little bit free from the pandemic?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, so there's one question, I guess. So Hiral Mehta wants to ask us how to awaken our subconscious mind and make it dominant, or on a regular basis. So for this, we have different kind of meditations to awaken our own subconscious mind, because sometimes it happens कि हम जितना भी we start going into the logical thinking, our subconscious mind starts getting closed. So it is very important to first and foremost, it is very important to feel the gut feeling inside us. The gut feelings are never wrong. So if we start working with our gut feelings, and we say that sometimes we just have to say to the logical mind, you just be quiet, it's okay, things will work out, things will go with the flow. It is very much important to do that. So this is what will elevate our subconscious mind to work more efficiently.
Yeah, but we mostly think with a logical mind only.
Yeah, that is why where we create certain problems, and this energies get stuck inside the body.
And there's
Yeah.
one more question. Are angels always good souls, or there are any bad soul as well?
No, angels are always and always good souls. They are ready to help. The only mistake we do is we don't invoke them. Angels are very neutral energies. They work with us. They help us in any point in time. Like we all know, we have two guardian angels by birth. Okay, they'll stay with us until we reach our spiritual realms. After our death, until we reach our spiritual realms, they'll be with us. So
So we don't know.
two souls are always two angels are always with us. They are always appointed for us.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
but we don't know how, where and like how they're working, right?
Yeah. They always help us, elevate our subconscious mind. The only thing is we are into so much of our materialistic world or everything that we don't look into that matters. So we have different meditations and we have different therapies for angels, and connecting to our guru, connecting to our angels, connecting to our guardian angels, getting messages every day. It's just like our parents being with us 24/7. They are with us 24/7. We have to
Okay.
acknowledge them, we have to accept them, and that is what it is.
So we have to be with the angels, and not angels have to be with us.
Sorry.
So we have to be with our angels throughout.
Yeah, angels are with us. We have to just invoke them, and like a friend, we have to talk to them. Whatever worries are there, they are always there to help.
Okay. Okay. So there's one more question. Does this help for chronic pain?
Yes, definitely it helps to clear our chronic pains. जैसे ही मैंने बताया आपको कि जो भी हमारा जो एनर्जी स्टक हो जाता है इनसाइड द बॉडी, certain parts, like when we feel too much of anxiety or we are just feared of something or other, तो वो क्या होता है, it starts affecting our heart chakra. The more it starts affecting the heart chakra, it will start creating blockages around the heart chakra and the related part to that chakra. Okay, so there are major 7 chakras in our body. One of those are heart chakra. So heart chakra जब भी वो इफेक्ट होने लगता है, it will start blocking our lungs, or it will start blocking our heart or chest related problems, or any kind of major illness can related to such parts. And if we don't clear this energy, what will happen in near future? Will attract those energies, and sometimes ऐसा हो जाता है कि हमारा वो चक्रा bear नहीं कर सकता. When suddenly the force of negative energy comes into that chakra, the chakra starts, depleting, and it will one fine day, it will start, stop working. So अगर वो stop हो जाएगा, so we'll get cardiac arrest, or failure of lungs, or anything similar can happen.
Okay, so meaning like whatever issues we have outside our body is everything related to our inner chakras, aura. So everything, whatever dysfunction is happening in our body.
Hmm.
So that's the result what we get outside, right?
Yes. So basically, everything comes first to our aura level. First, it comes to travels to our aura. Then it travels to our physical body.
Okay.
Okay. So sometimes we feel, अरे अचानक से उसका death हो गया. It is not अचानक. It was being stored inside the aura level पे बहुत ज़्यादा. It was started storing. One fine day, it just traveled inside the physical body and it blocked the chakra. And the
Okay. So
person
it's very
suffered. Yeah.
okay. So it's very important to clean your aura, maintain positive energy.
Yes. Yeah. It is very much important. That is why we say that it is very important to start our day with, positive affirmations, positive energies, so that we don't store any negative energy around our aura and we don't attract those kind of energies. When we store certain, when we store good energy inside our physical body or the aura body, it will start attracting only those energies then.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you just tell us how do we clean our aura, like on a individual basis, like on individual level, like if you are just at home and we don't have anyone, how will you clean your aura and how will you get that
Yes.
positive energy?
Yes. So I'll just show you one small demonstration. You can just, do with me a small meditation on how to clean our aura or see how much negative emotions we have stored inside the aura and how to release those energies.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure. Our
Yeah.
viewers will be very happy for that.
Yes, hopefully. Yeah. So we'll just sit in a calm place and we'll just
Okay.
start with meditation. Yeah. So we'll just close our eyes. We'll just relax and take 3 deep breaths. The first deep breath will remove all the negative toxic energies from our stomach. Just try to be calm, relaxed. The second deep breath will remove all the negative toxic energies from our heart. The third deep breath will remove all the negative energies from our mind. We'll just relax. Just imagine yourself sitting in a very beautiful place, a very beautiful environment near the bank of river Ganga. Or slowly, steadily start reviewing yourself, reviewing your body from bottom of the toe to of the toe, head of the crown. Slowly and steadily, just look on the each and every body parts of yours. This divine light is moving upwards from toes to your head. Wherever you feel there is a stuck emotion or unwanted energies, just try to release those energies with help of Ganga water. Just take a little Ganga water and spray it on your body part which is being affected by those energies. All these negative energies are now being released from the certain body part. We are now replacing this beautiful body part with our divine white light energy. Everything is now beautiful, energetic, very well balanced. Moving upwards from our toe to head, the entire body is now free from any unwanted negative emotions. All the unwanted stagnated energies are now being released and it has been replaced with divine's pure white light energy. Feel this divine's white light energy. Just feel the energies of beautiful divine around us. When you feel we are done, we'll thank our divine as well as we'll thank our body. We'll thank River Ganga and we'll thank each and everyone involved in the process of this. Slowly and steadily, we'll start rubbing our hands, place it on our eyes, and gently open our eyes. Yeah,
It was wonderful. Feeling so
thank you.
relaxed now.
Yeah, so
I
it is
hope
very
all
important.
of you also enjoyed it.
Yes, I hope for the same. Yeah. So, yes. So, any questions related to meditation or Akashic reading or anything?
So, this meditation we can practice daily, and this will help to clean the aura.
Yes, this will start healing your physical body because we just talked about the physical body right now.
Okay,
Yeah, so
okay,
that's what.
great. So, if
Thank
you
you. Thank you so much,
want to,
everyone.
then just comment in the section how you feel.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Everyone is. Thank you so much.
So, I think everyone is feeling very good,
Do
relaxed
this
Sunday.
every day.
So, this can be done any time of the day.
Yes, any time of the day. Mostly, if you do it at night times, it will give you a very peaceful sleep as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
So,
any
for a few minutes, or it can be just, is there any specific minutes?
no, nothing like that. If you see much more, if when you see more energies are getting stuck inside your body, you can release them all. So it will take little time that day. It's fine.
Okay.
And if you feel that the energy is not being, released and replaced, you can do it over over for 2-3 days more. Automatically, it will get released. Because sometimes क्या होता है पूरा जम गया होता है वो एनर्जी पूरी तरह से स्टैग्नेट हो जाता है. So in that kind of energy, we need to do it over many days.
So it will take 2-3 days to go away.
Yes, yes. Definitely. Yeah, so any
Great.
other tips for, I would like to suggest, please do regular meditation, do cleaning of your aura, and do cleaning of chakras most probably every day. If not possible, just once in a week or twice a week, at least we should, clean ourselves as we clean every day, as we take bath every day. So you can visit my YouTube channel as well. We have many meditations over there, like chakra balancing or knowing more about Akashic records and pick a card readings. Everything is there available. So any particular request, I'll definitely would like to help.
So we would like to know more about chakra healing, like chakra meditation.
On our YouTube channel. Yeah. So releasing stress also is there. Yeah. Yes, Chami, you are not able.
Hello?
Yeah. I guess there is
Yes.
an
Am I
issue.
audible?
Yeah. Now.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have much more
So,
on our. Yeah. So you can just visit our YouTube channel to know more about chakra healing, meditation on chakras, as well as also for releasing stress, which is very important nowadays for students as well as parents and all people around because it is too stressful environment for every one of us.
correct, correct. Sure,
Yeah. So
definitely. So this is one important thing we need to build up in routine.
yes, definitely. So we have one question over here from someone saying how to clean our chakras. So our chakras can be cleaned with a very simple technique of chanting certain mantras. All our chakras has their own beach mantras. So chanting those mantras will definitely help us clean and balance those chakras. So we have this on our YouTube channel, the Beej Mantra Chakra Meditation. So you can just, check on it and do let me know how does it feel then.
Definitely. So I think for today we had a wonderful meditation uh, session, which
Yeah.
actually gave us a lot of positive vibes and a lot of positive energy. Helps to clean the body as well.
Thank you. Thank you so
So
much.
thank you so much, our viewers. So if you have any queries, you can contact her on her Instagram page as
The
viewers. And
Sparkling Universe page.
yes, and you can just direct message me also. We can forward to her.
Thank you. Thank you each and everyone for, this wonderful time. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So this is Dr. Charmi signing off. Thank you.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Take care. Bye everyone.
Bye.